Hey guys, it's Tom again at Swords and Dreams Reptile Rescue with an update about switchblades and autos or out the fronts. I have a serious in-stock collection right now. We have folding type switchblades. We have stiletto style switchblades, the regular handle, stiletto style switchblades, wooden handles, spring assisted, stiletto style rainbow knives. Look at that gold, that green one's just funky. Stiletto style rainbow wooden handle, stiletto style wooden handle, 24 karat gold plated. Stiletto style 24 karat gold plated. Damascus looking. It's hard to see it though. See if I can turn this a little bit. Shine's kind of getting it. Damascus looking very nice. Damascus bone handled one. 24 karat gold bone handled. Very nice assortment. And if you look up front, mini autos out the fronts, large autos. Sorry about the glare. Very cool. Only at Swords and Dreams Reptile Rescue. 7143 West Greenfield Avenue, West Allis, Wisconsin, 53214. Phone number 414-475-9315. Please tell your friends and family about us. Together, we're saving lives. Or in this case, selling knives. Make sure you tell everybody, share the video so that we can get folks in and get more, even cooler ones. But I am impressed with the quality of knives I'm selling now. Very cool. May God bless you and yours, and thanks for your support and kindness. It's great folks like you that helped us keep going over the years.